Hello everyone, and welcome to Good Life Farming. Today we are going to be starting field work for 2022. We got all the hay burned up in this cornfield here. We didn't plant this last year. We planted that area. We've been hauling a little bit of manure on there this winter, so we're gonna hopefully get that yielding good this year, or at least better. But we got a lot of the hay burned. The reason we burn the hay is because there is a it layers up. Right here it's not too layered because it's just dirt here, but where we fed the bales, the cows pack it down, and it's just hard to get through there with the disc and the planter. So that's why we burned it. See, there's a lot of manure left, so we're not burning up everything, but burned up a lot of the thick hay, and hopefully we're gonna mix it all up with the disc and have some good dirt to plant in. So gonna start up the tractor here, and we're gonna start hooking up the disc, then we'll get to discing this field. We got the disc hooked up here, and field is right out there, right out here. This is about 2.5 acres, so we're just gonna get going here. just finished this field here, 2.5 acres. We're burning the hay again. When we disc, we released a little more dry hay for it to burn, so we just want to try to get as much hay off of there as possible. Just makes it easier to plant that way. So we're burning it right now, and yeah, so everything worked pretty good. We just want to make sure we can get as much hay off as possible off this field. And yeah, very smoky, but just watching it, making sure it doesn't get into this other hay. And yeah, I'm also gonna start disking the 2-acre field, the one we did last year. We did haul some manure on it. We didn't have a spreader. We don't have a spreader, so we just kind of made small piles of manure, and then we're gonna disc it in, and should hopefully make it yield a little bit better than it did last year. So yeah, I'm gonna get going on that, and then hopefully we'll get to planting. So we finished disking up both fields, as you see over there as well. We got a nice seed bed for the corn seed. As you see, nice, moist underneath, and should be able to plant right into it. Burning up the rest of the hay here. We just want to make sure to burn up as much hay, because it can clog the planter, so we don't want that to happen like last year. But that's the main area with hay. There's a little bit here, which it won't be too big of a deal, because there's just a few little bits, and we're just letting that burn up, which it's slowing down quite a bit now. So is that one also. But yeah, hopefully tune in to my next video for planting. We planted 4.5 acres to what I just today. So yeah, but that will be the end of today's video, everyone. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, please click the like and subscribe buttons down below so you don't miss out on new videos. And make sure to tune in to the planting video, probably in 3 or 4 days, depends on when I decide to release it. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you in the next video.